Kim Java here. So you may remember seeing some videos with this little Hot Wheels Cybertruck RC that kind of went viral in the world of Tesla on the internet. Well, this is pretty cool, but I have something that is a lot cooler that I'm gonna show you today. Check out this. Yes, we have been waiting for over a year for this. We ordered this in February of 2020, and this is the 1/10 scale of the Cybertruck that I am about to unbox for you guys today. So here it is. This is how it comes in the mail. We have the Hot Wheels RC with the Cybertruck. We have the glass break that I'm sure we all remember.
Oh my God.
And it's a pretty big box, and it's heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm about to break it open. So this comes in a little suitcase. I shouldn't say little, because it's actually pretty big and pretty heavy. This is the official Hot Wheel RC Cybertruck. The moment we've been waiting for. Now this is pretty cool. It's kind of like one of those foam soundproofing kits. I'm in love. Okay, so there's all kinds of goodies in here. I'm gonna do my best to go over what everything is with you guys. Okay, so here is the Cybertruck remote control. The actual wheel of the Cybertruck, which is pretty cool, matches up with it. So we have the basic steering and throttle. Now what's interesting is down here you see it says ATV. I know Franz has hinted that there may be an ATV coming. I don't see one in the box, but we will find out. But it definitely says ATV right here, so that gets me excited. Our battery, and then our battery indicator, which is kind of cool, will tell you what state of charge you are at. So if you're plugging it in to charge your car, this would go in between it. You'd be able to check it out. So let's get to what we all want to see, the actual Cybertruck. I'm not exactly sure what the best way to do this is, so this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna take it out here. So this is the Cybertruck. This is one of the best parts. This video is gonna turn into an ASMR video really soon. And one more to go. This time you may want to pause it and go get some headphones and, you know, sit back and relax. Ta-da! So here it is. All right, so there's all kinds of really cool details with this one. We have the tonneau vault cover, just like the real one. We have the ramp that slides in and out, and you can kind of play with it. Now, I really want something that will go inside of here, but that might be coming soon. Now, let's look inside of it. All right, so you can't actually get the doors open of this, and you can see that this Cybertruck actually has door handles, which we know, as Elon has tweeted, that the actual Cybertruck will not have door handles. So definitely something different with this. This is obviously from the original prototype. You can even see right here where the charger would be. But this is 1/64 scale. This is the little Hot Wheel. It's about the size of any Hot Wheel out there. But you can see it right next to the Cybertruck. It's about the same size as the wheel. The truck has a reinforced chassis, independent suspension, chill and sport modes, all-wheel drive, and can reach up to 250 miles per hour scale speed. Of course, you get functioning headlights, tail lights, and a light bar as well. With them on, you get a peek at the interior with the yoke steering wheel, the center screen, and the seats, but the plastic body is removable to reveal the interior if you have to open it to access the drivetrain system. But we decided to take it out for a spin instead. Alright guys, I want to take a moment and thank Surfshark for sponsoring this video. So safety and security are two areas that we take very seriously, and when it comes to security of our family on the web, it can be a lot more complicated than just picking the right car. So I want to tell you about the all-in-one solution that we've been really happy with for a while now. Most people aren't even aware of the amount of surveillance, limitation, and data mining that's done on their personal information every time they're online. Surfshark VPN, or Virtual Private Network, can stop sites from tracking your info and selling targeted ads to you, which I think is just one of the creepiest things in the world when you're talking about something and then all of a sudden it just appears right there ready for you to buy it. So Surfshark VPN is an easy-to-use solution that turns you into an anonymous and hard-to-trace online user and makes the internet a safer and more enjoyable place. We use Surfshark every day. It automatically starts up when we start our computer, and they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. See the link in the description below and enter the promo code KIMJAVA for 83% off and 3 extra months for free. All right, let's get back to it now. So this is pretty cool right here. Here's the decal that goes on the window. Tesla actually gave Mattel the Illustrator file of the actual glass break to scale, so it will fit right onto our Cybertruck. I love that Tesla has owned this moment. We have the front window. So this takes about 1 hour to charge, but it will give you about 30 minutes of good, fun playtime. So let's go charge it so we can enjoy it. This is the bumper guard. It's also recommended that you install this first because the Cybertruck goes very fast. But I just feel like the look is not quite as pretty. So if you are going to be playing with it, you should probably install that just to protect it. Now you might notice that we put the bumper on, and the reason we did that is because my cameraman was adjusting the throttle and already scratched it. Can you believe it? But now that it's scratched, I don't feel so bad playing with it. So I have Liam here today. Liam, who is my expert RC driver, and he's gonna show me how to drive a remote control, because believe it or not, I don't have a ton of experience, but this kid right here, he's a pro. So let's go. What do you think about the window?
It cracked.
It's cracked.
It's supposed to not crack.
It was supposed to not crack. The throttle limiter right here is keeping the speed at bay, so it's not going too fast. Also, being on this grassy field is definitely slowing it down a little bit. I'm gonna try it out first. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa.
A lot of power.
A lot of power. Maybe this was not the best place to test it out, but definitely fun.
You better turn up.
Oh,
You
we got
better
it.
be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
Okay, now for the baby's turn. Just kidding. So here's the damage done from today. You can see we have a very dirty Cybertruck, but it's mostly dirt. We can take it home, we can clean it. This car was about $400, and we debated whether just to put it up on a shelf and display it or go ahead and have some fun. With the little nick on it, we decided to have fun with it, and I'm sure glad we did. I think that the boys had a blast today, and actually I did too. Liam, what did you think about playing with this RC versus some of your other RCs?
I like it fast.
It's fast.
Yeah.
We didn't get it to do any big jumps, We've had some other big monster trucks in the past, and they were definitely easier to get air with those with the big wheels.
And it's easy to jump.
It's easy to jump. This one definitely has a lower center of gravity. It seemed a lot sturdier than some of his other big monster trucks, but it was fast. It was a lot faster than I expected it to be.
What's happening here, guys?
We're buckling up the Cybertruck. Got to keep it protected.
Oh no, I need to. Oh, yeah.
What? No, Liam.
Yeah.
Liam will not let go of this car.
Oh no.
What are we doing here? Protected.
Is it all clean for you, Liam?
Yeah.
All right, so this is gonna stay up on our set on the third
No,
floor.
it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Liam, we didn't buy
No,
this
it's
to be
not.
a toy.
No, it's not.